How to track your eBay order. Hey everybody, if you guys would like to track your eBay order, you may follow up the steps. So log in into your eBay account or the application, and once you are logged in, you can go to the My eBay or Purchase History option on your account. Tap on My eBay to access your account here, and from here look out for purchases, your order history, and tap on it. After you tap on it here, it will show you all of the orders that you've done. You can just go ahead and find the specific order that you want to track in a purchase history. It should appear like this, but the thing is you will only get this track package option if the order has been already shipped. So if the order is already shipped, find the track package option and tap on it, and it will view the courier's tracking page. Alternatively, look for track package link or button, and if there is no tracking information, click on view order details. If the tracking information is unavailable, you can select contact seller on the order details page and inquire about the shipping status. You can just go and look out for this option. You can see it is being shipped in transit, and it is all of the options available are out of delivery and estimated delivery time, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to track your eBay order, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.